Welcome to the video for the HO Scale Lifelike Santa Fe Diesel Freight Rail Runner set. Everything in the set has been reconditioned, well tested, and runs good. Comes with everything you see on the board. Operating crossing gates, headlight works on engine, runs forward and reverse, power pack works great. The bridge and trestle set is included. Comes with little signs and cars and trucks. Tracks have all been cleaned on top and are the newer power lock design. Very easy to set up and run. Thank you for watching.